Good morning, gentlemen. After seeing classification of the helicopters, next is categorization of the helicopter. In this three varieties we are going to see. First, categorization is based on hinged helicopters. Then next is fully articulated, and third one is teetering. Next, based on USA based categorization, there are three categories, that is based on size, based on its payload capacity, and based on its performance. Gentlemen, but in common there are mainly two categorization of the helicopter, and it is civil helicopters and military helicopters based on its use. And under civil helicopters, its roles as per agriculture helicopter, police helicopter, firefighting helicopter. Then next is helitech and medevac helicopters. These are the five. And under military helicopters, there are again 8 classifications. That is, first is ground attack helicopter. Military, what for it is using is then air assault. Then third is military logistic supply. Then SVAC. Fifth is medical evacuation. And sixth is command and control. This is very important. And seventh is troops transportation. It is also very important. And last one is transport helicopters. Gentlemen, in this military helicopters, for example, are a family. It is belongs to America. Then next one is MiL M2, that is belongs to Russia, and Allot 2, that belongs to France. These are the main military helicopters. We will see different 24 types of helicopter in next episode. Till then, goodbye.